Alright guys, welcome back to the Fence Head Outdoors video. So I'm out here with Dixie, doing a little training session. I told you a couple videos back that she was getting fixed, so she won't be able to do physical activity. So the last week or two I've just been doing healing work and kind of obedience stuff that isn't really hard on her. But I'm going to start doing like a training tip every week. So let me know if you guys like it in the comments. So here goes. Alright, so one thing your dog should be really good at is sitting and staying for a long time. So Dixie, sit, stay, good dog. So what you want to do is you don't want to call your dog to heel from a distance every single time, because eventually what that'll teach her is just that when she gets tired of sitting and staying, she'll just come to you anyway. And so what I like to do is I'll just walk out, and then I'll walk back to her, and I'll just walk a circle around her. Just act like I'm not paying any attention to her. So I'm gonna come back, just walk a circle around her. If she gets up, I just correct her. But I don't want to just keep calling her from a distance time after time after time again. So now I might walk back and tell her to heel and release her. So now, once I get back to Dixie, my second time, I might get next to her and heel. Then walk her heel for a little while. Sit. That's your training tip for the week. I went hunting at my buddy Kyle's farm again. On Monday morning. We had off school because of the snow, but I'll play a clip from there. It's pretty funny, so here goes. I've only got one shell in. No, it's fine. Just we can only shoot one. We can only shoot one. Oh, what the heck? Did you hear that? All of our guns went click. Yo. No. Yo. No. No. Oh, they might come back around. But anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. And I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video.